Well, hello, welcome to another episode. A lovely sunny day. We're not in Shropshire, we're in Dorset, and I've come down to look at this big thing. Bad boy. Right, down in Dorset, and this is at my mother's garage, and this is my 1990 Gsxr 1100, which I've had for about 13 years, and I've been restoring it for the last 12. It's been sitting down here actually for 4 years, and I'm going to come down and thought I'd come down, free the brakes off, just catch up with it, and show you guys what it's like. Everything's been polished on it. It's gone a bit tarnished now, but nothing that a good polish won't sort out. It's a bit dusty. It's a cracking bike, and I want to take that back to Shrewsbury with me and get it MOT'd and get it out there. These tyres have literally just been pushed around, never been ridden, and everything is has been replaced, re-gassed rear shock, new spring in there. You can see 21 bearings in this have been replaced, the carbs have been rebuilt, all stainless steel fittings. Obviously got different air filters, individual air filters on it. The brakes at the front are off a Bandit 1200, and they're 6-pot brakes. They've all been rebuilt, powder coated. The forks have been changed for Eileen's internals, new stanchions, basically everything. And over there I've just got all the fairings and everything for it, a spare set of pipes. Now those are going to be for the MOT. The ones on the bike, I'm going to get someone to dismantle the innards, so it's going to be straight through pipes. But those ones, I'm going to clean those up and I'll put them back on just for MOT purposes. And then as we look above, I've got all my radio control planes, and I'm going to be bringing those back with me. I'm finding somewhere to fly those things. Anyway, there I've got to bring the bench back. And this is all the radio controlled stuff that I've got, the starter for the airplanes, test bench for engines. So anyway, let's have a look under here. All these fairings are in, from what I remember, a pretty good nick anyway. The side panels are there. There's the seat, so I'm going to rearrange some of that. Going to work on the brakes because they're seized, and this bad boy's coming up to Shropshire. What a big boy bike that is. It's cracking. I do love this bike. Fat tyre on the back, the beast. It's all been polished up, every little thing in here, but it just needs to go. I've just briefly polished this little section up. As you can see, it'll all come back, won't be too bad. And now I'm rather pleased with that. Give it a clean, get in there, and it's done 24,439 miles, which is good. And the headlights in this are wicked. Brilliant lights on these. In fact, let's just grab the key. We got ignition. Where's the lights? I can't remember how to work this in. The lights off, on. There we go. Yellow bulbs in. The right set of headlights they are. Cracking. Turn those off. Indicators. Yep, still working. Brilliant. Well, I'm going to pop it away because I'm going to need to come back here with a van, and now's not the time. And collect this, bring it back with me, give it a good old polish, give it an MOT, and go out and have a blast on it. So I'll see you next time. Take care.